into the curls. Hello, it's your girl Sierra, aka Naturally Nefertiti, coming at you with another video, baby. Today I will be showing you how I do this lovely flat twist out. Can't believe that I never had a flat twist out video on my channel. Like, this is such a basic, like, beginner natural hairstyle. So if you want to see how I achieve this, keep on watching. Okay, so I just finished coat washing my hair. I have it wrapped up in a microfiber towel to dry a bit, and I am going to add some leave-in conditioner. My fave, I hope you watch my 10 favorite natural hair products video, because I featured all of the products that I'm using today. This is the Cantu Argan Oil Leave-In Conditioning Cream. Let me divide my hair into half. Take a nice glob. And detangle. Okay, now I'm going to divide my hair into sections because I'm going to be doing a side part. You can do a middle part, right side part, left side part, whatever you prefer. I'm going to do a right side part. So I'm going to make sure I have a nice defined part. You know what? That's good enough. And then I'm going to have this first section right here on top of my ear. I'm going to clip that away. I'm going to have this section, which will be my bang. The bang. The bang. Whoa, 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 whoa. This whole section, so from the part to right behind my ear, and then the back will be one section as well, the whole back. Okay, well, actually I'm going to divide this into two sections, so one row in the back, literally just a row, because my hair is so short right there. So I guess 4 sections. I think it's always best to divide the back into 2 sections. So I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go grab a spray bottle. All right, so I'm gonna start with these in the section in the back. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do 3 2-strand twists. Because like I said, my hair is very short in the back. So I wanna make sure I still have defined curls in the back, so I'm just going to twist those up individually. Actually, I think I'm only going to do 2. Spray it down a little bit with water. Then I'm going to go in with the Almond J Twisting Butter by Camille Rose. Gotta use the twisting butter for your twist outs because that's what they made it for, literally. Rake that through. And then I'm going to have my Eco Styler gel ready. This is the Argan Oil Eco Styler. I'm just going to have it ready because I use this on the ends. Okay, so I'm going to divide this into 2. And I'm going to twist one section. Twist, 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 twist. Then I'm going to take a little bit of Eco, just a teeny bit, and put that on the ends, and twirl it around my fingers. Let's go up close for that. Okay, again, I have my section. I'm going to divide it into two and then twist it. When I get to the end, I'm going to take a little tiny bit of Eco. Get some on my finger. And then rub that into the ends and then just twirl it around my finger to create a little finger coil. So that's the background. Then I'm going to divide the rest of the section. I'm going to do flat twists. I'm going to do like 4 flat twists. And I don't like to do parts because then it'll be like when I take it down, you'll be able to see those like harsh parts. So I just part with my fingers. Okay, I'm sorry guys, this is not a flat twist tutorial. If you want me to make an in-depth tutorial about how to flat twist, that could be another video, but this is just showing you like parting and products and the takedown process. So I sprayed it with a little bit of water. Go in with my twisting butter. And then I'm going to flat twist. I hope you can see. Let me zoom out a little bit more. I'm gonna make sure to comb out the bottom part. And when I get down to be mostly done, I'm gonna grab my Eco and put some on the ends. If I need to, I'm gonna add a little bit more water. And then I do a finger coil. So that's what the first one looks like. I'll be back when I've done the rest of the back. Okay, finished the back. So 4 flat twists in the back. Now I'm going to move on to this section right here. And I'm pretty much going to do the same thing. I'm going to section out just a little small row right here. And I'm going to do some individual twists. Spray this with a little bit of water. Detangle. Add in some twisting butter. Add a little bit of Eco to the end and finger coil. Eco. And then the rest is going to be flat twists. So I think I'm gonna do 3 flat twists right here. Okay, last section. I am going to just do 2 flat twists right here. All done with the twist. I'm also gonna add some jojoba oil hair serum. This is the one by Pattern Beauty. Just to seal in all that moisture. So I have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 flat twists and 4 two-strand twists for a chunky flat twist out. And I will see you guys tomorrow morning when I take it down. Okay, so it is the next morning and I'm gonna take these down. I'm gonna put some oil on my hands to reduce frizz. This is just some sweet almond oil. And I'm gonna start in the back and just unravel, and then I'm going to separate these little twists like 3 to 4 times. A little bit. And then flat twists, I untwist, and then I find the pieces where they naturally want to come apart to reduce frizz. Okay, so now you take your wide tooth comb or pick and you pick it up. And make sure I get back there so I can get a little bit more hang time. All done. So this will last me about a week. All I do is pineapple my hair at the top, one in the front and one in the back, and then put a bonnet on and sleep like that, and then I just shake it out and re-fluff and repick in the morning. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to watch my Vlogmas videos. Every single week I am doing a giveaway, and yeah.